The world of makeup is brimming with possibilities, offering a vast array of products to suit every need and preference. From drugstore finds to high-end brands, the options seem endless, each promising to enhance our beauty in unique ways. It's no secret that luxury makeup brands hold a certain allure, often associated with prestige and superior quality. We see their sleek packaging and captivating campaigns everywhere, from glossy magazines to social media influencers. The promise of high-quality ingredients and exceptional results is undeniably tempting, making us wonder if the investment is justified. But is expensive makeup truly worth the investment? Or is it just clever marketing that makes us believe so? Or can affordable alternatives deliver comparable results, offering similar benefits without breaking the bank? These are questions that plague makeup enthusiasts and casual users alike, leading to endless debates and personal trials. In this exploration of the makeup market, we'll delve into the world of high-end and affordable cosmetics, uncovering the truth behind the price tags. We'll dissect ingredient lists, evaluate performance, and consider the influence of packaging, marketing, and brand reputation. Our journey will include insights from makeup artists and everyday users, offering a balanced perspective on this complex debate, ensuring we cover all angles. Ultimately, the goal is to empower you, the consumer, to make informed decisions about your makeup purchases, helping you choose what truly works best for you. One of the most significant points of comparison between high-end and affordable makeup lies in their ingredients. The ingredients list can reveal a lot about the quality and effectiveness of the product. Luxury brands often boast about using premium ingredients and cutting-edge formulations. These brands invest heavily in research and development to create unique blends that promise superior results. They highlight active ingredients such as hyaluronic acid for hydration or vitamin C for brightening. These ingredients are known for their beneficial properties and are often a selling point for high-end products. However, many affordable brands have stepped up their game, incorporating similar ingredients into their products. This means you can find budget-friendly options that still offer great benefits. The truth is that the price difference doesn't always reflect a drastic difference in ingredients. Often the cost is influenced by branding, packaging, and marketing expenses. While high-end brands might use a higher concentration of certain ingredients, affordable brands often offer very similar formulas. The concentration levels can affect the potency and effectiveness of the product. It's important to remember that effective skincare ingredients can be sourced and formulated at various price points. The key is to find products that suit your skin type and concerns. The key is to look beyond marketing claims and delve into the ingredient list itself. By understanding what each ingredient does, you can make better choices. Understanding the function of key ingredients can help you make informed decisions, regardless of the price tag. Knowledge is power when it comes to choosing the right makeup products for your needs. The true test of any makeup product lies in its performance. How well does it apply? How long does it last? Does it live up to its claims? In the realm of makeup, price doesn't always dictate performance. While some high-end products undoubtedly deliver exceptional results, there are also plenty of affordable gems that perform just as well, if not better. Factors like skin type, personal preference, and even application techniques can influence a product's performance more than its price point. Ultimately, the best way to determine if a makeup product is right for you is to try it out yourself. Pay attention to how it feels on your skin, how long it lasts, and whether it meets your expectations. Section 4, the packaging puzzle, from practical to luxurious. There's no denying that packaging plays a significant role in the allure of high-end makeup. Luxury brands invest heavily in creating visually stunning and tactilely pleasing packaging. From weighty compacts to sleek, minimalist designs, the packaging itself can feel like a luxury experience. Affordable brands, on the other hand, often prioritize practicality and affordability in their packaging. While luxurious packaging can enhance the overall experience, it's important to remember that you're ultimately paying for the product inside. If you're on a budget, it's perfectly reasonable to prioritize the quality and performance of the product over the extravagance of the packaging. Section 5. Expert opinions. What the pros have to say. To gain a well-rounded perspective on the high-end versus affordable makeup debate, it's essential to consider the opinions of industry experts. Makeup artists, who work with a wide range of products and skin tones, can offer valuable insights. Many makeup artists emphasize that expensive doesn't always equal better. They often have their favorite affordable products that they believe perform just as well as, if not better than, their high-end counterparts. They stress the importance of understanding your own needs and preferences. Ultimately, the consensus among experts is that a mix of high-end and affordable products can be the best approach. Section 6. Real-world reviews, user experiences, and testimonials. In the age of online reviews and beauty blogs, it's easier than ever to access real-world experiences with makeup products. Reading reviews from people with similar skin types and concerns can provide valuable insights into the performance and value of different products. While individual experiences can vary, common themes often emerge from the feedback. For example, certain affordable mascaras are consistently praised for their volumizing and lengthening effects. Pay attention to both positive and negative reviews to get a balanced perspective on the product. Section 7. The final verdict: is expensive makeup worth the splurge? After exploring the nuances of ingredients, performance, packaging, expert opinions, and user experiences, it's clear that there's no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of whether expensive makeup is worth it. The beauty industry is incredibly diverse, and what works for one person might not work for another. The decision ultimately comes down to your individual priorities, budget, and preferences. Are you someone who loves the feel of luxury and the allure of high-end brands? If you value luxurious packaging and are willing to pay a premium for it, then high-end makeup might be a good fit for you. The experience of using these products can be quite satisfying. High-end makeup might be a good fit for you. The textures, scents, and overall experience can make the splurge feel worthwhile. However, if you prioritize performance, ingredients, and value for money, you can absolutely find amazing products at affordable prices. Many drugstore brands offer high-quality items that rival their expensive counterparts. You can absolutely find amazing products at affordable prices. The key is to do your research and read reviews to find those hidden gems. The world of makeup is vast and varied, offering something for everyone. From high-end to drugstore, there's a product out there that will meet your needs and preferences. Embrace the freedom to experiment, explore different brands, and mix and match products to create your perfect routine. And discover what works best for you. Ultimately, the best makeup is the one that makes you feel confident and beautiful.